Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put Kia Telluride seats down, full guide. Pull the release strap, fold the headrest, and push the seat back forward until it locks. I'll guide you through driver, passenger, and rear seats step by step with clear visuals and voice cues. Follow along at a relaxed pace, pause when needed, and repeat any movement until you feel confident handling the latches and straps safely. Start with the passenger side for an easier angle and then move to the driver's side, using the same motions. Show the strap location, pull technique, and how to fold the headrest smoothly to avoid scraping. Demonstrate how to lock the seat in place and confirm it won't shift during driving. I'll mention common variations and how to adapt if your Telluride has power or manual release options, keeping it simple and safe. If you're enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe, it really helps. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes garage projects more enjoyable with clear music and voice control, perfect for hands-free instructions while folding seats. It's compact, sounds great, and fits on a shelf or workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Address common problems like stuck latches, jammed headrests, and limited cargo clearance with easy fixes. I'll explain safe lubricants, gentle rocking techniques, and clearing the area to prevent damage. Watch for child seat anchors and secure belts before folding seats to keep everything safe. I'll also show how to return seats to upright position and how to test locks so your Telluride is ready for passengers without surprises or strain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.